Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to unbox the Mivi ROM Bluetooth speaker. This is not a sponsored video. On top of the box, Mivi branding. This speaker is available in two color variant, grey and black. Let's talk about specification. It has powerful audio quality with crystal clear sound, portable and easy to carry, waterproof with IPX67. It has 800 mAh lithium ion battery with 5-watt output. Let's open the box. Aux cable, micro USB cable and user manual. Remove polythene first. Here you will get charging port and 3.5 mm jack port. Now turn it on. Connected. So now check sound quality. If you have any problem, then you can comment in comment box. I hope you like my video, then subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit like button. See you in next video.